दोस्तों, वेलकम बैक टू अवर चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? आशा और उम्मीद करता हूं कि आप सब लोग मस्त होंगे। सबसे पहले आप सभी लोगों को मेरा प्यार भरा नमस्कार। तो दोस्तों, आज का वीडियो बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग होने वाला है क्योंकि आज हम जाने वाले हैं स्कूल में और वहाँ सेलिब्रेट करने वाले हैं टीचर्स डे। तो मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा मैडम का लुक। चलिए देखते हैं मैडम कैसी होगी।
तुम खुद देखो, ये देखो, है मुझसे कोई स्मार्ट? बताओ खुद। नहीं, तुम खुद दे। मैं ये नहीं कहता, तुम मेरी बात मानो, तुम खुद देखो ना, फैसला तुम करो।
तो दोस्तों, अब हम जाने लग गए हैं स्कूल की ओर। ये देख सकते हैं। तो दोस्तों, आज के ब्लॉग में आपको बहुत मज़ा आने वाला है। आप पूरा ब्लॉग जरूर देखिए।
So first we read about ratio. What is ratio? A ratio is a form when two quantities are measured or compared. Just like this marker is smaller or bigger. Can anyone identify this marker is smaller or bigger? Why smaller? Why bigger? No. This marker has not any comparison and it cannot compare. And this marker is smaller or bigger? Yes, because it has a comparison and it can be compared. And then we can also do the ratio by division. And one more thing, the ratio is denoted by two dots or colon. This is a ratio, 2:3 and 3:4. After that, we start proportion. What is a proportion? When two ratios are combined, it is called a proportion. Just as this is called a proportion, and a proportion is denoted by four dots. And after that, we have also to check that the proportion is equal or not. If the proportion is not equal, so it is not called a proportion. Yes, and in this, the outer one, these are called product of extremes, and this inner one are called product of means. And we have to multiply it. 2 into 4 equals to, and we can take the proportion as equal also. And 3 into 3, 4 into 8. No, this proportion is not a proportion because here is 8 and here is 9. These are not equal. So we have to take equal proportion. Just as so, product of extremes, product of means. 2 into 6 equals to 3 into 4. 12. Yes, it is a proportion because in both sides the 12 is same. Thank you, have a nice day. And it is the beginning of vowels called L. Second, indefinite article. It has only one part, the. That is refer to the particular place and person. So, thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning, all of you. My name is Jayesh Titwal, and today I will teach you math. And today's topic is ratio and proportion.
Good morning to all of you, respected chairman sir, hardworking principal ma'am, all the teachers and also those students who have become today teacher. First of all, happy Teachers Day to all of you. Today I am in front of you as a history teacher, and my topic is the effect of pollution on ozone layer. Today we will clear about three concepts. Concept number one is about ozone layer, what is ozone layer and under that. Concept number second is about pollution, and the last concept and the most important concept will be effect of pollution on ozone layer. So starting with the first concept about ozone layer. Ozone layer is generally a type of layer in our stratosphere layer. And now telling about ozone layer, we will just also clear some concept about sun. Suraj, as you all know, from sun only 5% of rays comes to earth. यानी कि जो सूरज से होता है सिर्फ 5% की रेज जो होती है अर्थ तक आ पाती है. और you know, so what do you think? There is 95% gone. 95% of sun rays are harmful rays. So in this, what is the use of ozone layer? Ozone layer absorb the harmful rays that comes from sun and stop it from reaching to earth. ओजोन लेयर एक ऐसी लेयर होती है जो हार्मफुल रेज को रोकती है धरती पर आने से, जिसकी वजह से हमारी जो लाइफ है वो चल रही है. यानी कि ओजोन लेयर का नहीं है तो ह्यूमन लाइफ भी नहीं है. नेक्स्ट कंसेप्ट पॉल्यूशन. आई डोंट थिंक आई शुड टेल अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स अबाउट पॉल्यूशन. Pollution are that things only which just pollute harm the environment, harm human beings and another that. So there are mainly three types of pollution: soil pollution, water pollution and air pollution. So now we have read about ozone layer. हमने ओजोन लेयर के बारे में पढ़ा, हमने पॉल्यूशन के बारे में पढ़ा. Amount of pollution increase in nature, it will just make hole in ozone layer. अगर हमारे इन्वायरमेंट में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा पॉल्यूशन होगा तो हमारे ओजोन लेयर पे इफेक्ट डालेगा, जिससे ओजोन लेयर में होल हो सकते हैं. और अगर आगे आने वाले टाइम पे पॉल्यूशन ऐसे ही बढ़ता गया नहीं होगा तो हो सकता है कि एक समय में हमारी ओजोन लेयर टूट जाए और सारे जो हार्मफुल रेजेस है वो सन में आने लगते हैं, जैसे यूवी रेज. सो इट बिकम्स हार्मफुल फॉर ऑल. And the next is, so the only pollution doesn't affect human beings, doesn't affect animals, doesn't affect our environment. It also affects ozone layer. So conclusion of whole of the teaching is do very less amount of pollution. Or pollution only not affect our environment, it's also affect our ozone layer. And if there will be no ozone layer, there will be no life. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
I would like to call Shaurya Bhakuni from class 9 as a maths teacher.
Good morning to Honorable Chairman Sir, respected Principal Ma'am, all the staff members of Pushpani Academy and my dear friends. I am Shaurya Bhakuni from 9th standard and today I am here as a maths teacher, and today I am going to teach you about the basic formula and introduction. -1 into d, the common difference, is equal to 4. So here we take n as 1000. Here our first number is 2 plus n is 1000 minus 1, and the difference is 3, which is 2 plus 1000 minus 1 is 999 into 3 is equal to 2 plus 2997. And if you add 2997, it becomes 2999. So here is the basic introduction to arithmetic progression and its formula. Thank you.
Today I am your science teacher, so today we will study about the chapter microorganisms. So the chapter is microorganisms. First of all, let's understand
can be born by the organism. It is made up of two words. This is my
Priya from class 8 as a science teacher.
Yes, we will understand something about from Priya. Priya Negi, oncology. हमें अभी oncology के बारे में कुछ knowledge मिलने वाला है and she will discuss about it.
It is very important and it plays a very crucial role in everyone's life. A healthy body contributes to a healthy mind, and if you will not focus in your health, so it may possible that it will come in the way of your studies. So as in this way there is a disease, cancer. So firstly I will tell you on my main topic, and my main topic is oncology. Oncology is the branch of medicine that deals with study, treatment and diagnosis. Mainly it refers to a cancer or a cancer patient. Now the cancer. Cancer is a group of disease where the cells in the body grows uncontrollably and can spread to the other part of the body. Now the cancer patient. A cancer patient is somebody or someone who has been diagnosed with the cancer. Actually, there are 277 different type of cancer, but mainly there are two type of cancer, benign and malignant. Benign is the non-cancerous disease where it can grow at the one place but doesn't spread to the other part of the body. But malignant is the disease, means it is a cancer which can grow and also spread to the other part of the bodies and also can cause death. So cancer enters in your body, so it may possible that you can face many discomforts and you can face many type of problems in your bodies. So like it can cause many things if you will smoke, drink or doing wrong operations or eating more fast foods. It can also cause the cancer because fast food is not good for your health. Now the treatment options. Treatment option is depend on the stage or a type of cancer. Like if you have more cancer or if you have more dangerous cancer, so it can also cause the death. But if you have small cancer, so you only will the therapy means radiation therapy or that's all. So focus on your health, nothing else. But just I want to tell you. You should not do wrong things which can increase the cancer, or you should not eat more fast food because more fast food can also increase the cancer. So, thank you.
तो दोस्तों अब जाने लग गए हैं हम घर की ओर। ये देख सकते हैं ये आज ये
अरे भूत निकल गई, क्या बताऊं
क्या
तो दोस्तों देख सकते हैं आप इनको बैठे बैठे यहाँ पे नींद आ गई।
हाय हाय इतना सुकून।
ये देखना दोस्तों, ये देखिए
मैं बाबा टिल्लू नाम मेरा
देखना बहाना कर रहे हैं तो हंसी जरूर आएगी इनको।
अरे भिकमंगिया क्या देख रहा है?